So the hook is basically the first few seconds of a video, and the purpose of the hook is to capture people's attention and keep them watching. In this video, I'm going to show you 17 different viral hooks. Each of them was proven to get millions of views. I have recorded them on the spreadsheet, which you will have access to. I'll link it down below. I have included the exact hooks that was used, how many views they got, why it worked so well, as well as the direct TikTok links so you can see the video. I will constantly add more examples onto the spreadsheet as I come across more viral videos, so there will be more examples, but we can start with this 17 for now. This is what I personally use to record and analyze the hooks, and I'm just sharing this with those who would find this useful. So let's take a look at the first example.
Show me something that TikTok overhyped, but actually got it right. Baby, for me, it's this. I use it like there's no tomorrow.
Okay, so that was the hook. Show me something TikTok overhyped, but I actually got it right. For me, it's this. And then she went on to talk about the product. So this got 4 million views. So the reason why this worked so well is because the viewers would be curious in what you have to say. And obviously, she showed the product in the beginning and she did a voiceover on the video. So something simple like this could work really well. Let's take a look at a couple more examples. So let's look at this one.
Stop taking sea moss. You probably think it contains 92 of 102 vital minerals. You were probably told it helps heal the body, inside and out. And you might even think it was the favorite of Dr. Sebi himself. But what if I told you all of this is completely true? Okay, I got you, but let's just be honest.
Okay, so that was a little negative bias hook. So this was the hook, stop taking blank. You probably think, the common belief or the common conception is good for you. What if I told you all of this is completely false, right? You could, change it up a bit. So that was the hook that was used with the negative bias. So I think that could be a really good one. And let's take a look at one more, and I'll let you, review this spreadsheet on your own, as I would just, link this down below so you can have access to. Let's look at this one.
If you think white eyeliner is scary, it's because you are not using it right. Light, bright, and big doe eyes are going to be a huge makeup trend in 2024. We already see it with the white eyeliner. So if you think that white eyeliner isn't for you, then try switching it up and use a pink. I can't believe that I'm saying that.
So this creator is the #1 top earning influencer right now in TikTok shop. So that's a hook that was used. If you think blank is scary or any other opinion, that's because you're not using it right. And that's basically an opinionated based hook. It kind of stirs up the controversy. And then why this worked so well is because of that. And then she basically just demonstrated the product effectiveness in the video. So this got 4 million views, and obviously it's doing really well. So I will link this down below in the description so you can have access to. Any questions, just comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.